What's up, guys? This is just going to be a little quick Linux tutorial on mounting network drives. I've done another tutorial before where I mounted a flash drive before, but it's sort of similar. You still use the mount command and whatnot, but it's not. It is a little bit more complex of a command to mount a network drive. So what I have here is this is my server 1. These are both two terminal windows from two totally separate servers. None of them are virtual machines or anything like that. They're all one of them. This is a Dell PowerEdge 1750, and this is a Dell PowerEdge SC1425. So this here is my actual web server, and this here is one of my file servers. So I don't know if you guys have ever been to my website, but on the HackHub forums, not the forum part of the site, but on the video downloads page, if you look right here, for now there's zero, there's nothing there. So this is where you can download all my YouTube videos. But the way I have it actually set up is between two servers, and I'm doing it through a mount, a network mount. You see, this here is my web server, this server 1 here, and then this one is holding all the video files that you guys are able to download. The reason being because this server, I don't want to hold any files on it because it doesn't have big hard drives. It doesn't have a lot of storage, whereas this server has tons of storage, and I can put all the files I want on here. So what I need to do is I need to make this web server access the files on this server here, this file server, to host them for you guys to download. So let's go ahead and look at these. They're both running a Samba file server, so that's how we're doing this. You can also do this between a Windows machine and a Linux machine if you wanted to. So this is the www directory in the server 1. You can see we have server 1, share, var, www, and then the videos directory. Okay. So this website here points to the videos directory. This script here will point to the videos directory, and there's nothing in there right now. You can see that there's just a htaccess file. In here, this server 3 /share / the HackHub videos, this has all the videos that I need. So what we're going to do is mount this directory here to this folder. So we're going to do that using the mount command, but it's a little bit more complex, like I said. So what we're going to do is I already have it kind of saved in my recent commands. So we're going to use the sudo, of course. You're going to have to sudo this, and it's just like before. It's mount, and then what we're going to do is a -t space CIFS -0 or space -0, and actually that's not a 0, that's an O. And what this does is it specifies the username. You're going to put space and then username equals. Now this here, this username, is the username of the server you're trying to mount, not the server you're trying to mount to. We're trying to mount to this server. We're trying to mount this server to this server. We're specifying the username on the remote server that we're mounting, which is this guy. And then you're going to say // this is going to be, so space // these are forward slashes, and that's going to go to the IP address of the server that you want to mount, which in this case is this server. I just kind of shook everything away. Anyways, so that's the IP address of this server, and then we're indicating the directory on the remote server that we want to mount. So remember, it's /share / the HackHub. If I showed you guys that right here. So that is this directory right here, and that contains all these videos. And then what we're doing is space, just like you would in a normal mount, and then we're doing space, and then the directory of this local server that we want to mount it to, which is this directory right here, this var /www /videos. So we'll go ahead and fire off this command, and it's going to ask for a password. This password is not your sudo password. This is not your sudo password. Now, if it is going to say, if you haven't typed in your sudo password yet, it will also ask you for a sudo password. But if it just says password like this, this password is actually the password of the remote server, the sudo password on the remote server. So what you'll do is type in the password that you would normally type in on this server, because you have to have the remote server's password in order to mount a network drive. Same thing for Windows. If you're mounting a Windows network drive, you're going to have to type in the password for a user, the user account that you specified right here. You're going to have to type in that user account's password right here to mount it. So we'll just go like that. In my case, there's no password right now, and it just mounted it. So it didn't give us any crap. It didn't say anything back, like any errors or anything. So that should be good. So now we look at the directory. Let's go ahead and refresh it, and all the videos are there now. So we have all the videos that are now on this server. Now, again, guys, this is not a copy. This is an actual mount here. This is basically a mirror of this. If I were to delete this file here, it would delete it on this as well. And now if we go to my website and we refresh the page here, you can see that all the videos appear now because this website server, my web server, is now getting all the files from the file server to host them. So that's basically how you do it, and it's not copying these files from server 3 to server 1. It did not copy them. It's just basically mounting this directory to this directory and mirroring them. So if you delete them on any server, or if you add files to any of these directories, it's going to update it on both sides. So that's pretty much it for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial of mounting network drives. Visit my website, my forum site at thehackhub.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and like always, guys, have a good one.